Good morning everyone. I've been hearing confident that you guys don't know how to deploy Compile. It's very easy. As you're watching this video, just hear what I'm saying. So before you deploy again, if your bot stops running, before you deploy again on that same panel, make sure you go to your panel. That's your server. This is your server. As you can see, that's your server. You go to your server. You delete all the files. On your server before you deploy new again. Make sure you delete all the files in your server, including the npm file, no modus file. As you can see, they delete all the files in your server. Upload a new file. You get it from my repo. Upload a new file. You select all and move to .. then delete the main file and go to config.js. So I've said it before in my previous video, so if you are new here, watch the video. You put your owner's number and your config and your session ID in the config.js file. Then you go to get your session ID. If you want to get a new session ID, you can get a new session ID. Right, I want to get a new session ID right now, so I go to get my session ID. Then I copy the code and paste to get my new session ID. So it's done. I get my session ID, so I just copied and paste in my config.js file. I paste in my config.js file and put my owner's number. Make sure I've deleted all the old files. Then I press start. Immediately it does not have that error. It does not show you that error. Allow power is paid or used, this, that and that. So once you are finished with that, it does not take up to 10 minutes, highest 10 minutes, and your bot is successfully deployed. Right now it's deployed on panel. As you can see, it's successfully deployed. So that's how you fix your error.